Hello, this is a student in EDT6010, Sarah Woodward. I'm going to walk you through the game activity that accompanies my lesson plan for Unit 3, Lesson 1 on sketching lines. So this activity is on the website for desmos.com. I go through my teacher login through teacher.desmos.com. The activity I'm going to pick is called Coin Capture Lines. So here it is. And this gives me information about the simulation. I've already created a class code, and through this dashboard we can access a lot of the information about the game. So here, this is what you would display on the screen for the students. It gives them the website to go to and the login to use. So here, right now there's no students logged in, but there could be. You can select to anonymize the students if you wanted to show their progress of students but not identify them individually if you were going to display this for the whole class to see. I want to walk through what the game simulation does, what the students will be seeing. So I want to look at this. So here you can click on each screen and it will show you each one of the challenges that the students will be doing. So on the first challenge, they have to change one part of the equation to get rid of the coin. So they change the positive 1 to a negative 1. Submit. And all the coins would disappear. The second one, they practice with horizontal and vertical lines. So horizontal line, y equals 3, and then a vertical line at x equal to 4, and they would notice that the coins go away. And this is really nice because they get instant feedback for what they're doing, whether or not their lines cross out the coins or not. The third problem is a challenge where they have to enter the equations one at a time and try to eliminate all of these coins. So they would do this one at a time. 4, this first one starts at 4 and has a negative slope, -1 slope. Okay, so that would be our first one. Our next one we could use maybe would be for this line right here. Okay, so that line y equals starts at -4 and has a slope of +1. So slope of +x. X, submit. Here, the students, we have one line would be y equal x and one line would be y equal -x. So we have y equal to x, submit, and y equal to -x, submit. And all of the coins would go away. In their final challenge, they have to make a coin plot. So they have to drag and drop coins. And from this will be entered in a gallery where other students will be trying to solve their challenge. So for this, you have to encourage the students to make it attainable. Otherwise, it could be kind of frustrating for the kids to do. I would also have my classroom aide also participate and give her maybe pictures of ones, a feasible or a good graph to do. So let's say that's where I was going to place my coins. I'll make it simple. I could say next, and then that would show up in the gallery for the students to do. So one of the suggestions was that for the pacing, you can make this so the students can only do the first 3 activities before everyone gets to the last one. So this is where you could restrict this to screens 1 through 3. You could say restrict it, and the kids would only be allowed to do the first 3 activities, and then you could do some kind of wrap up, and then they could all work on the gallery question, later. So that's the activity. I think it's pretty sweet. I think the kids will really enjoy it and will be engaged. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Thank you.